Yeah, we have this container here. What I can do, right? So, okay, so styles. So each of these components have a style property. Um, if you're unfamiliar, property, my first name property is Matt. My last name property is Ruiz. Um, um, and yeah, there's many other properties I have. My hair color is brown. My height is 6'8". No, I'm just kidding, 5'8". But yeah, that's these components have properties on them. Um, and in this case, we have style. So if you're familiar with like React Dev, it's class name. Um, is something it is the equivalent on web, and we'll do React stuff in the future, but we'll start with the React Native. We'll start slow and build up as needed. Inside of this style property, it expects an object, right? So I'm a person object. First name is the property. Last name is a property. Home address is a property. Inside of that home address, there's an additional property of street, at least in the U.S. Street one, um, um, which is like 123 West Street, apartment 2, and then obviously state, city, and zip code, postal code. So this style property accepts in an object um, one of those, and inside of that object has a property called background color, which we can just make red. And we can see that the safe area as a whole is red.